An introduction to the Family Division of the Caroline County Circuit Court. Hello. You're seeing this video because you're involved as a plaintiff or defendant in a case concerning divorce, custody, visitation, paternity, child support, or other matters related to families. In the family court, we have developed a code of behavior that you must follow. First and foremost, this court expects you to treat each other with respect and dignity. Nothing less will be tolerated. Following this code of behavior is the fastest way to resolve your issues. We encourage you to remember that when you come to court, you're turning your life over to people you don't know and who don't know you. You're encouraged and urged to take an active part in resolving whatever the dispute is in a manner that is agreeable to all parties involved. It is possible to go through this system without ever having to fight in court. The court is always willing to review decisions you make together and assist you in making them work. To do this, you must reach agreement on all of the disputes you're having. We will provide you with many opportunities to identify and solve your real issues. Here's a glance at some things you need to know. Before going anywhere in the building, you must go through security. Cell phones are not allowed in the courthouse. If you bring a cell phone into the building or any other inappropriate materials, like weapons or sharp objects, they will be either confiscated or you will be asked to take the items back to your vehicle. Once security clears you, they will direct you to your destination if you are not sure where it is. Every case that the court is involved with begins in the clerk of the circuit court's office, which is located on the right just as you enter the courthouse. The clerk's office files every paper in a case. Most documents are filed first in the clerk's office. However, exhibits offered at trial are filed at the time of the trial. Generally, case files and their contents are open to the public. In the clerk of the court's office, you'll find forms that you can use for family law matters. The clerk's office is staffed with skilled individuals who will process your papers. They are not lawyers, and they are prohibited from giving legal advice. The clerk of the court's office staff cannot and will not give legal advice, so do not ask for legal advice. If you have questions after you get your forms, or even before you get forms and initiate a case, there are brochures available that answer many questions. These brochures are free and can be picked up any day of the week when the court is open from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. After your case has been filed with the clerk's office and an answer has been received, your case will be set for a scheduling conference or a hearing in this courtroom. You should have read any and all materials you received before court. Everything is recorded in this room, so do not say anything you would not want repeated. Also, please speak clearly at all times. Here, in addition to getting a court date, you may be requested or be ordered to attend mediation. Attend mediation after scheduling conference. Get an attorney for your child or children. Supervised visitation. Monitored exchanges. Establish a timeline for your case. Take a paternity test. Attend a co-parenting seminar. Complete an online parenting seminar. Prepare a parenting plan. Complete drug testing and evaluation. Complete psychological evaluation. Attend family and/or individual counseling. Consult the Free Family Law Legal Clinic. Complete a home study investigation. Attend a settlement conference. Brochures are available on the second-floor hallway for most of the services flashed on the screen. The services above with the asterisks are not free. If you can't afford the fee for any of the services, you may apply for a fee waiver. However, you will be required to pay some portion of the fee. The forms for a fee waiver are in the clerk's office. The person who manages all of these services is the Family Services Coordinator for Caroline County. Any questions that you have regarding the services above should be directed to the Family Services Coordinator. You can reach the Family Service Coordinator by calling the Caroline County Circuit Court Judges' Chambers. That number is listed in your telephone book and in the custody packet some of you will receive at the scheduling conference. At the scheduling conference, there will likely be other litigants in the courtroom and the following court personnel: clerk, recorder, bailiff, sheriff's deputy. After the scheduling conference, you may have a pre-trial conference, settlement conference, or a hearing with the judge or the master. You can avoid a hearing, pretrial conference, or settlement conference by reaching an agreement. However, you can also resolve all issues at the settlement conference, and an uncontested hearing can be set. If you have not resolved your case utilizing any of the resources above, a contested hearing will be set with the judge or the master.
Hello, I am Judge Karen Murphy Jensen, the resident circuit court judge here in Caroline County. We are at the end of this orientation video, and you are at the beginning of your journey through your case. I want to leave you with a few thoughts, all of which I hope you remember and take to heart. This court is committed to managing your case fairly and efficiently, and in such a way that reduces the conflict and stress that is a part of any case. This court is committed to providing a place where all who enter this courthouse feel physically and emotionally safe. This court is committed to ensuring that all participants are respected and treated with dignity and shall have access to justice, whether represented by legal counsel or not. In turn, I ask you to treat all others who are involved with your case, including this court, with respect, dignity, and courtesy. We will tolerate nothing less. Before I close, I want to speak to those of you whose case involves your children. Please, please remember the following 4 truths of parent conflict from uptoparents.org. If you and the other parent are in conflict, your children are in danger. Only you, the parents, can protect them from that danger. Unless you and the other parent are able to manage your conflict, litigation will likely make the conflict worse, not better. And when you focus on protecting your children and what is in their best interests, they, as well as you, will be better off. Now, we all understand the importance of your case and the impact that our decisions will have on your life and that of your family. And I look forward to working with you and together finding a fair and just solution to the issues that have brought you to court.